My name is Wendy Mejia. I'm the Director of Operations here at Century Park Law Group. I've been working with this firm for about 9 years now. We practice in California and we practice all over California. So one of the biggest goals that we have is growth. Just like any other business, we want to grow. And one of the big things that we did see a growth was in the communication with case status. And we saw like a little bit of the numbers where the messages were coming into the app rather than the text message directly to our case management software. Clients, it was easier for them, I guess, to just click, and they were becoming more familiar with the application. And it goes hand in hand with our firm goals. If we're spending less time on the phone, we're spending less time, with reminders, we're able to grow. Our caseload is able to grow because we don't feel like our staff members are overwhelmed with communicating with the clients. To have an application where all the information that they're receiving, whether they're templated text messages or even the explanation of the A through Z explanation of this is how the case works, is actually in Spanish for the clients. If we know that client is a Spanish-speaking only client, all of the information that is being sent to them is translated to Spanish, and it's not like English and then a small translation in Spanish. It's like, no, there's no English, it's just pure Spanish. Here it is. It's like, we understand you, we know that you're a Spanish speaking client, we're going to tailor our system to you. And that's when clients appreciate that, when they feel like we listen to them and we understand them and we're here to help them, not only in English or English speaking clients, but our Spanish. Like, we're customizing our system to you, which is huge. You should look into case status just because it's a software that, it'll eliminate that frustration when you're like, I got 25 clients calling me today and I spent like 5 to 10 minutes with each call. I wasn't able to go through my workload. Case status is an application that will help them reduce that stress. And it's an application that's going to be helpful for everyone in the office in regards to the communication and making the communication and accessibility to each individual that's handling the case a lot easier. And it's been positive feedback. They're like, this application made it easier for me to communicate with my case manager. It made it easier for me to communicate with the attorney that was handling the case, and they were responsive.